So it's a kind of a weird morning because we're still in earnings season. Obviously, a lot going on in the last couple of days of the market. But there's really not a lot to look at today. That being said, the market's down, Tesla's down, and guess what? Everything's still higher. So, again, we don't buy bearish gap downs, but everything's still higher. So I'm like trying to find a long here today. I don't know. Part of me is like, maybe we should do Amazon. Again, BA is lower, IBM's lower. We could do one of those. We could do a quick short in BA or IBM. The reason doesn't bother me or care whatsoever at all. These are lower. What should we do with our lives? I don't know. I think we should do Amazon long. IBM short, but it's not enough volume here, actually. Yeah. Well, decision made. Done. We're watching Amazon long. Decision is made. Any questions? Plop it in the room. You got 1 minute. We'll go over your question, Allison, in a little bit when we're done. Just remind me. Remind me or I'll never remember. And remember, we're going long here. We're not going to go long every day for the rest of our lives. But we are going long again today, I think. As crazy as it is. $210. Let's see if we can get it there. Amazon. Can we do it? Okay, just wait. Wait on that. Let's look at everything else quickly. Oh, we could do this. We could do BA. Stop's going to be 60. Screw it. Let's do BA. Stop's going to be 60. Don't have the entry yet. Don't have the entry yet. Somebody tell me if Amazon's ready. Let's do 25 by 60 BA. 25 by 60 BA. What's happening with Amazon? 25 by 60 is valid. Hello, is anyone there? Is Amazon moving? Let's do 30. 30 by 60 BA. Amazon's not moving. Okay, then we didn't miss anything. 30 by 60 BA. Do it right now. Get the stop in. It's gonna go. Here we go. Through 147 and a flush and a very fast trade out of nowhere. We're pulling a rabbit out of a hat today on a Tuesday morning. And in fact, let's put it at 70. I don't think this should really matter. Let me just look here what's going on. This is higher, and no one believes me, and so is the market. But we did hit 600 yesterday in the SPY. Let's look at Amazon. No, this isn't ready. Okay, here, you did this or you did nothing today. It was totally up to you. It was totally up to you. This is still very thin, but this is definitely lower. Look, I watched it yesterday. Watched it yesterday. Watched it. Here we go. BA. Flush. Here we go. One push. I'm not holding this long. This is a quick trade out of nowhere. There was nothing to do today. We found something. It's money. Let it break 147 and we're going to be out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, BA. Here we go. Do. 9:33 on a Tuesday. Here we go. BA. There. It just broke 147. It just did it. I want to get out of this soon. One more push. We're going to get out of this. One more push. We are going to get out of it. And one more push if we can get it. Allison's out. Trying to get it down under 80. There, it touched 80. Did anybody else get out? If you really don't want to mess around with this, you could put the stop at break even. We could do that. We could just do that. We could say screw it. So we don't even have to sit through a bounce on that. Should we do that? Should we say screw the whole thing? John is out. Screw it. I'm putting the stop at break even. I never do this, but I don't want to sit through a bounce in this all the way back up to 148 and change. Because that literally might have been it. I was going to get out, but I thought it was going to break 80. I didn't realize it touched 80. 2 people are out. You're up in this here. You can just get out of it. I'm trying to hold it down for one more push, but I'll be out of it flat if it hits through where I got in. So let's see. A very, 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 very slow-moving morning. Again, 3-day weekend for a lot of people. It's going to take time for the market to get going again here. Get some momentum underneath it again. It's exhausted after the last week. I mean, who wouldn't be? Here we go. One more push in BA. And we'll look at what's out for tonight. I'll go over Allison's question. Jennifer T, are you having some kind of problem? I saw you in the room, and then you were out, and I let you back in. But you got to get with Rashawn. I thought your problems were fixed, but they must not be fixed. Jennifer T, are you there? Here, this is it. This is it. Hand in the button here for BA. One more push in the BA. Here we go. Oh, this is a nice little trade here on a Tuesday morning. Out, done. Not even gonna mess around anymore. That is good enough. And it probably keeps going. And it probably goes to 146. And it could even go to 145, and I really don't care. Excellent. Wonderful job. Good start to the week. Our week has started officially now with a win, and we're really on a roll. We had a great month in October, and let's do it again in November.